You've seen them, right? Those videos of like a wise old philosopher or some historical figure dropping life advice on your feed? And you've probably wondered, how in the world are those made? Well, they are absolutely taking over. And today, we're going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how it's done. Let's dive into the step-by-step blueprint for creating these viral AI avatar videos.
So first off, why should you even care? Well, we're not talking about a video getting a few thousand views. A single one of these AI-generated videos can pull in some seriously huge numbers. I'm talking about 2 million views, and that's just for starters.
And yeah, it doesn't stop there. Here's another one, racking up over 9.1 million views. You can tell the social media algorithms are just eating this stuff up and pushing it out to millions and millions of people. But believe it or not, it gets even crazier.
Get a load of this. 28.5 million views. These are not one-off lucky shots. This is the real potential of this AI video trend. It's a formula that is just consistently capturing a massive audience.
And you know, it's not just about views that come and go. We're talking about explosive, real growth. Check this out. A brand new account, doing nothing but this strategy, gained almost 180,000 followers in just 3 months. That's a total game changer.
So this all leads to the big question, right? What is the secret sauce here? How are people making these unbelievably popular videos? And more importantly, how can you do it too, for free? That's exactly what we're about to break down.
Okay, let's look at the blueprint. At its core, this whole thing is built on just 3 simple AI parts. Seriously, it's way less complicated than you'd think once you see how all the pieces fit together.
So the whole process really just boils down to this. First, you need an AI to generate an image of your character. Second, you need an AI to create a voice for your script. And third, you need an AI to animate that image so it actually talks. That's it. That's the whole magic trick.
All right, let's jump into step 1, the AI image. This is basically the face of your video, the character that's going to deliver your message and grab people's attention.
For this, we're going to use a tool called Leonardo.ai. It's awesome, and it's free. You just sign up, go to the image generation page, and set your dimensions. You'll want it vertical for reels or shorts. Then you write your prompt. Now the real key here is to select the Dream Shaper V7 model. That's what gives it that cool, realistic style. It'll spit out a few options. You just pick the one you like best, hit upscale to make it high quality, and download it. Simple.
And here it is, the golden ticket. This is the exact prompt that's been used to create some of the most viral characters. You can literally just copy and paste this. And the best part, you can swap out wise-looking man for anything you want. A powerful queen, a futuristic robot, whatever you can think of.
Okay, so we've got our character's face. Now we've got to give him something to say and a voice to say it with. This step is all about the message.
And don't worry, you do not need to be a professional writer for this. You've got 2 super easy options. You can either just ask ChatGPT to write something for you, like, give me 5 powerful life lessons. Or you can hop on Google and find famous quotes from people like Albert Einstein or Marcus Aurelius. Either way works great.
So once you have your text, you're going to head over to a site called ElevenLabs. This is where the audio magic happens. You just copy and paste your script, pick a voice that feels right for your character, and it generates this incredibly realistic, human-sounding audio file for you. It's amazing.
Okay, so right about now you're probably thinking, this is all great, but don't these AI tools have limits on their free plans? How do you actually scale this up and make a ton of videos without having to pay?
And here's the pro tip. This is the little workaround that makes this whole strategy work. You can use a temporary email service, just Google it, to create new free accounts on these AI platforms whenever you run out of credits. It's a simple trick that lets you generate as many images, voices, and animations as you want, completely for free.
Now for my favorite part. Step 3, the animation. We've got our image, we've got our audio. Now it's time to put them together and bring our character to life. This is where a static picture becomes a talking person.
For this step, we're using a tool called HeyGen. It's super straightforward. You make a free account, upload that image you made in Leonardo, make sure you click portrait mode for your social media video, and then upload the audio file you got from ElevenLabs. You literally just click submit, and the AI handles the rest. It spits out a video where your character's mouth moves perfectly in sync with the audio. It's wild.
We are in the home stretch. We have our animated video, but there is one last crucial step. We have to add the final polish. And trust me, you cannot skip this. We need captions.
I mean, think about it. How often are you scrolling through your phone with the sound off? All the time, right? If your video doesn't have captions, people are just going to scroll right past it.
Adding captions is so important. It boosts how long people watch and makes sure everyone can enjoy your content. A video without captions is just leaving views on the table.
And adding them is so easy. You can use a free video editor like CapCut. You just import your video from HeyGen, and then you hit the Auto Captions button. It listens to the audio and writes out all the words for you in one click. From there, you can just pick a bold font like Arial Black, maybe add a little shadow to make it pop, and export your final video. Done.
And that's it. From the AI image all the way to the final caption video, you now have the entire blueprint. You've got the tools, you've got the prompts, you've got the process. You can literally start making these viral videos right now.
But all of this leaves us with a really fascinating question to chew on. When AI can create the image, the voice, and even the animation, what's the role of the human creator? Is our new job just being really good at coming up with ideas and writing prompts? It's definitely something to think about as this tech keeps getting more and more powerful.